Bam! Done.
We just have to
Use the floor jack
it over just a little bit.
Yeah.
And then we can bring it back for another foot. At least how much room is up in the front?
Hello.
Plenty. No, we can even probably just leave it right here.
It's out, baby. All right, got the old glass out. We put in some new clean glass that's not all freaking painted. Oh shit, you have the Ugga Dugga.
Huh?
Said, oh shit, you have the Ugga Dugga. Alright, so here we are taking off the old factory style leaf hangers and putting on a U-bolt flip kit. I'm working on the driver's side real quick. And now here we are doing the same exact thing on the passenger side. This side wanted to fight me a little bit just because that axle is not factory. And here we are putting the flip kit on, getting the nuts all threaded on by hand first, and getting it done. Easy peasy, one of the simplest things you could do for an off-road truck.
6.5 hours later.
Really? Alright, and here I am replacing the wheel seals, cleaning up the mating surface, and now looking for a mallet. Because at this point in time, we did not have a race driver, which would have made this 1.5 million times easier to do. But as you can see, I'm getting it in pretty straight. Kind of centering it up, making it good. There, seals in. Now I'm going to slide this axle shaft and a whole end plate in. Got that in. 4 14 mil nuts go onto the back of those. Hold it all in place.
Fucking hotter than hell.
Here. Nope, I can't even do that. Line me up, line me up. Fucking Rocky. Dude, all the Rocky hair. Oh, you son of a biscuit. Any parents with small kids that watch Blue, you'll get that reference.
Just gotta torque those down.
Oh, I think I may need another one.
And I go through.
Fucking shit.
Yeah, you got a fucking
I know they're hot, Mike.
ring gear that was in a 400-degree oven.
Dirty. No, the threads are foobarred on that one too.
Oh, there you go. Still a little warm.
Yeah, just a little.
Just a little.
Hey, guess what, Mike? This is a lot easier with it out of the fucking third member than it is trying to hammer these up
Well, it's in it.
while it's in it.
Yeah, they usually
While
has
I'm
a-
on the ground under the truck, all stakes have been hammered. Ooh.
Nice.
Guys, when I say this man's got parts on parts on parts, that's just one cabinet. But we got the 529 ring set on the Detroit Locker. Are all set on that. We just now have to build or put the pinion all together. And then we can build the rest of the differential. And then once we get all that done, we can put it in the axle, put the shafts back in it, and call that a wrap. All right, Mike, what are we doing now?
We are pressing the bigger pinion bearing on the pinion so that way we can put it into the housing, put the carrier in, check depth, backlash, pattern. All the fun stuff.
Here's the other fun part. I don't have bolts for these. This is not your house. They're Uncle Mike's house. Use what's on hand.
Open the other one. No, I had two.
Yeah, you can play with that. You're welcome, baby.
The struggle is real. This thing is not big enough. I guess we're just gonna have to kind of eyeball this one.
Yeah, mine looks like the axle needs to shift towards me.
Okay, bang that side up a little bit so it's flat on the frame.
Yeah. That's it. No, I can tell this needs to shift towards me.
It needs to do this.
Yeah.
that's pretty centered right there.
Yeah.
But now, how is it? Yeah, see, that side's on the outside of the frame. This one's on the inside. Yeah, see, and this one's still on the flat. That one's not.
Ooh, easy there, Mike. You're shaking the whole fucking truck.
I know.
So center
Uh-huh.
has to be right where...
Oh, right between the hole.
Because that's
Yeah.
6 inch.
Okay. Shit, we're only an inch off, too.
Yeah. What I would do to make it a little bit easier is I would take center on the hanger and not mark it at the top by the frame. That way when we get it there, we know when to stop. We could have probably put the jack stands a little wider.
Just a hair, yeah.
My phone!
Oh, shit. You know what we should have done?
What?
We should have fucking sanded those before we moved it.
Lower the bitch down.
You got your safety squints?
Nope. Oh, my safety squints? Yes.
John? Because that thing flings it.
Yeah, but I'm going down. Safety squints.
Yeah, that's why I told you put them on.
Remember, kids, safety first or third, depending on what you do.